This is Lin Nguyen from OZSoft Consulting, and today I'd like to take the opportunity to introduce the new OZSoft HANA Management Pack for SCOM. When you have invested significant resources into running HANA, so ensuring its availability and health are critical success factors. However, managing the complex operations of HANA landscape can be time-consuming without central monitoring. The OZSoft HANA Management Pack for SCOM bridges this gap for organizations utilizing HANA as a leading in-memory platform and SCOM as its enterprise monitoring framework. We have about 20 years of tools and expertise. Established in 1996, until now we have specialized in SAP performance management. Since 2009, we have been providing SCOM and SAP an integrated monitoring solution via our SAP Management Pack. We have an extensive basis in IT operations experience globally, and our customers are worldwide. To extend the SCOM into HANA, the low-cost yet flexible solution by integrating HANA with the Management Pack. With our experience, we have seamlessly forwarded the HANA alerts into SCOM, using the powerful alert management in SCOM for notification, subscription, reporting, and capabilities across the enterprise. It is an intelligent integration where availability and performance into SCOM monitors, reports, and dashboards. The features and benefits of the HANA Management Pack for SCOM includes availability monitoring is #1 criticality in a solution. Hosts and services availability is monitored through our solution via redundant methods to ensure reliability of availability data, presented to SCOM in a hierarchical health explorer. The alert management are forwarded to SCOM from HANA, preserving HANA information for transparency, as well as adding additional custom alerts within SCOM. The ability to have alert filtering and suppression using the HANA Management Pack allows for flexible alert management. Performance monitoring can be done via many various aspects of performance counters, bringing in from the host, the services, HANA's volume, cache, utilization, etc., and a growing list of performance metrics. These can be charted in SCOM performance views and dashboards. With custom threshold, the power of SCOM can be utilized to centralize the threshold settings for various HANA performance metrics. That way, it facilitates the management of multiple HANA instances within a central location. Our solution is SCOM reporting ready, which includes all the availability performance counters in data warehouse within SCOM available for reporting. The high-level architecture includes our redundant HANA Watcher node, which is implemented on top of the management server. So after installing our management pack, you can configure multiple Watcher nodes to ensure reliability of monitoring. Should one management server goes down, the other management server can watch the other SAP instances or all of the SAP instances that HANA runs on. This advantage includes easy deployment, so the management pack is deployed as a standard management pack into SCOM, using the operations console to configure the HANA systems, install the license key, and as well configuring the run as accounts in order to facilitate security on running the HANA environment in SCOM. Built-in failover, as mentioned before, is used between management server resource pool as well as failover between multiple SCOM nodes for management servers. Heterogeneous HANA support connects the HANA system into any SAP supported HANA platform. We used a low SCOM footprint, therefore utilizing the managed modules for speed and efficiency. Minimum prerequisite for this is for SCOM 2012. Here are some various dashboards available in our product, either via custom services for configuring anything you require from availability standpoint, as well as performance and alerting. Here's an example of a discovered HANA landscape within the SCOM environment, showing the hierarchy of components and services as well as HANA systems. Here's another view of the HANA services and availability. Systems include services that may contain other components like volumes, which may be in healthy or unhealthy states, can be drilled down and propagated. When each system is configured, their services are discovered and availability is monitored as well as performance. Anything related to the services is grouped into a hierarchy and provided for health monitoring purposes. Where to go from here? If would you like a trial, you can download from our website, request a trial license, and be up and running in a matter of minutes. The pricing around our HANA Management Pack for SCOM solution utilizes SAP's pricing around sizing model of memory. So your HANA instances, we price by the landscape, which means your production system is what is licensed. Everything else under that landscape runs for free. We provide professional services for remote installation, configuration, as well as custom dashboards. We have an extensive HANA and SAP basis expertise if needed to configure around the SAP ecosystem. If you would like to request a live demo, please send an email to sales@OZSoft-consulting.com. Thank you. Hi, and welcome to OZSoft demo of our SAP HANA Management Pack for Microsoft System Center Operation Manager, otherwise known as SCOM. Our HANA Management Pack is implemented in native SCOM Management Pack facility in order to facilitate the centralized enterprise-wide monitoring of complex HANA environment. When you've invested in HANA, it is a complex environment that can scale out to multiple nodes. So managing its complexity, the CPU consumption, memory, etc. is critical to maintaining a high satisfaction of an in-memory database. Particularly, we address the performance, availability, and alert management of monitoring HANA. After importing our management pack, we provide a configuration utility whereby you can specify your instance, where they run, what instance number, and the watcher nodes that can redundantly monitor the HANA instance from SCOM standpoint. After discovering the instance and installation, we then provide several dashboards that can monitor the overall health state of HANA. For instance, the availability of HANA, the alerts, the consumption of CPU by the services, as well as memory consumption, space consumption for the data volumes which the services control, and any other performance criteria. So let's step through and see how the management pack help ease the management of HANA. First of all, when you import and the discovery is automated, the discovered components are monitored starting with the host level. So for instance, at the host level, we discover your HANA instance running, what release it's on, instance number, etc., and the memory configuration as well as the host CPU configuration. So basically, we will monitor the health status of the host running HANA appliance, and services are then also discovered via the components. So for instance, with this ITC level, we can see the discovered services that HANA is running. Various different services are monitored for availability as well as performance, and some aspects including volumes that are discovered, say cache, quality, etc., that is controlled by the volumes of that service. Again, here are the volume files. So data and log are monitored. The critical file utilization percentage are customized in SCOM so that HANA volumes are monitored. From alert standpoint, We bring in HANA alerts and transparently display them in SCOM for alerting notification purposes. You can subscribe to these to notify. Or we also increase the value of our monitoring by creating additional alerts, for instance, in SCOM out of monitors that we've created. For instance, log wait is one of those situations where if, for instance, in this case, the index server is experiencing some problems, the log wait times for that service is increased, and therefore we can create thresholds and alerts out of them, notify if needed. Also, connection can be an indication of service issue. So if you're running, for instance, SAP on HANA, so your BW may not be able to connect because there's a problem in the database. Things like connection exception, we do monitor via independent path to guarantee more reliable availability monitoring. So in summary, we can show you the system dashboard of your health status. Also, if you're running BW, we also can configure a dashboard via custom dashboarding. The BW response times, as well as your HANA database ping time for various services. Your alerts are centralized, as well as your availability monitoring. Another view that is useful is the discovered landscape. So in a discovered landscape, we can look at the state propagated for availability or performance. So in this case, only warnings show up in a tree under a particular SAP HANA instance that might have alerts. So index servers, for instance, the volumes that they contain, various states are propagated, monitored by us, and can be shown. Another area that we do look at, from instance, the monitors that we include are the Health Explorer. And when you come into Health Explorer from the main panel, you will see that the various aspects of availability as well as performance are included. Not all monitors are enabled by default when we deliver it, but you can go in here and override the status and enable them, change thresholds, etc. But we do monitor the host availability. We also monitor the availability of each individual services, the volumes that are contained by those services or managed by those services, cache, the files that they're on, and then from performance aspects, various different things like CPU utilization, response time of the actual service themselves, and things like log waits that are critical to HANA performance. Again, to summarize, we also bring in a huge amount of performance metrics that you can chart in the operational database of SCOM. For instance, in this case, these are performance counters. A lot of them we brought in for use within operations or also distributed through to the SCOM data warehousing, so you can chart and plot any of the available statistics that we discover and monitor. As far as this example goes, the trigger write ratio for data and the log are displayed. So in summary, when you've invested in HANA, you would need to have an enterprise-wide monitoring that facilitate or easy management of HANA instances that are on a complex, could be even distributed multi-node cluster environment. So the HANA Management Pack for SCOM platform that we provide helps to manage this in-memory platform via enterprise network and framework of SCOM. For further information, please visit OZSoft Consulting. Thank you.